Hello and welcome to the first video of the video series R tutorial for beginners. In this video I will show you how to download and install R and Rstudio on your Windows computer. If you have a Mac computer, this will work very similarly. If you have already downloaded and installed R and Rstudio on your computer, you may skip this video and go directly to part 2. For those of you who have not installed it yet, this is how you do it. If you want to install it, you go to Google, you type in download R, and then the first two hits here are what you want. You have here the R project website where you can download R, and then you have the Rstudio website where you can download Rstudio. So what Rstudio is, it says already here below. Rstudio is a set of integrated tools designed to help you be more productive with R. So it's one of the integrated development environments which helps you program with R a little better. It is the most popular IDE for R, so I definitely recommend using Rstudio when programming with R. So we want to open both those web pages, the one for R and the one for Rstudio. And if you go here to the R web page, you can go here to CRAN, and this will open up this page where you can see all the different R versions for all the different countries. So you can go to your country and install just any version that's listed there. But you can also go, for example, to the United States, which is what I will do. I will just download here the one of the Iowa State University. Click here. Then you click download R for Windows, install R for the first time, and then download R400 for Windows. And then you will see the download has just started, and then meanwhile you can also download Rstudio at the same time. You go to the Rstudio webpage, and then you can go here to the open source license, which is free, and download it here. And then you can click either here for Windows 10.8.7 or here. It doesn't really matter. And this will also start right away. So this will take some time, so I will just skip ahead to the end of those downloads and then continue. So now both of those downloads have finished downloading. We can click on the R version first, and this will open up this where we can see we can select the language. So I will choose English. Here we click next. Here we click also next. Here you can also leave all those boxes ticked. Click next. Here we have to click no. And here we can create a start menu folder and click next. Here I want to create a desktop shortcut and a quick launch shortcut, but you can tick or untick those boxes according to your preference. I would recommend that these two boxes stay ticked. Then you click next, and this will start installing. We can also do the same thing with Rstudio. This will open up the Rstudio Setup. We click next, click next again, and this will start installing this. And this will take a while, and I will see you at the end. So once R has finished installing, you will see this, and you can just click on Finish. The same thing goes for Rstudio. You can also click Finish once it has finished installing. And once you've clicked Finish, you can go here and type in Rstudio and click Enter, and this should open up your Rstudio. And it should look like this. You can see here the R version, and how to get started here in this Rstudio I will show you in the next video. As this is my very first video, I would very much appreciate it if you could leave some feedback in the comments and like and subscribe if you like this content and if you want to see more of it in the future. Thank you so much and take care.